Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Sainte-Anne-de-Sorel is a charming municipality, located in the Montérégie region of Quebec. Nestled along the Canal du Moine, this peaceful community offers a blend of natural beauty, rich history, and recreational activities. One of the standout features of Sainte-Anne-de-Sorel is its connection to nature. The town is located near the archipelago of Lake Saint-Pierre, a UNESCO biosphere reserve, known for its wetlands, diverse wildlife, and lush scenery. Visitors can explore the Maison du Marais, a local nature center that offers boat tours, kayaking, and scientific exhibits about the region's unique ecosystem. For outdoor enthusiasts, there are plenty of parks and recreational areas. Henri Latendre Park and Constant Plant Park provide spots for picnics and relaxation. During the winter, the town's recreation center offers an ice rink and a skate park. The town also has a rich cultural heritage. Sainte-Anne-de-Sorel is home to a historic lighthouse that once guided sailors through the St. Lawrence River. Today, it stands as a reminder of the area's maritime roots. Sainte-Anne-de-Sorel offers something for everyone, whether you're here to enjoy its quiet charm, explore its wetlands, or simply relax by the water. It's a hidden gem that beautifully showcases the natural and cultural treasures of Quebec.
Thanks for watching!